sponsored by Anderson Plumbing, Heating, and Air. Nobody wows clients like we do.
I'm Moses Small in the ABC 10 News Pinpoint Weather Center, and unfortunately, we're about to get very cold, very windy, and just a little bit wet. But taking a live look outside, we still have some sunshine. It is a very cool day around the county, but we have a storm system way up to our northwest. That's what we're seeing on the satellite radar, already bringing plenty of showers to parts of Northern California, and we're going to see that as soon as tomorrow. But tonight, we could see a couple raindrops. There's a chance of some very, very isolated drizzle moving in and out, but things really ramp up tomorrow. So it looks like San Diego is going to see its first big round of rain tomorrow morning, right around 10 a.m. So in the late morning hours, just after the commute, we could get drenched. In addition to that, we're looking at plenty of snow coming to those higher elevations. And then we have another big burst for San Diego coming in the afternoon. That's going to be in between 3 and 5 p.m. is when we get hit with a lot of rain once again, a lot of that extending to our inland neighborhoods. And then things start to wind down a little bit more tomorrow night. And in terms of totals, we're not looking at huge amounts of rainfall, but still many of us could get right near half an inch. That's certainly the case for San Diego, for Kearny Mesa, Escondido. Most areas coastal and inland looking at anywhere from 0.2 to 0.6 inches of rainfall. And on top of that, it's going to be a little bit windy. You're going to have a wind advisory for the desert. On top of that, a winter weather advisory for the mountains. That one started up at 4 p.m. That's going to go till tomorrow night at 11. Many areas looking at 3 to 5 inches of snow accumulating by the time the storm leaves us. And we also have high surf along the coast. That is going to last until Saturday at noon. So that's going to make up our day tomorrow. Cold, windy, and wet. San Diego's temperatures are going to drop even more, reaching just a high of 57 degrees. Going to feel some breeze along with that rain, gusts to 30 miles per hour. Inland neighborhoods a high of just 56 degrees. Throughout parts of the afternoon, a slight chance of thunderstorms as well. And to the mountains, they reach up to just 38 degrees. That snow level is going to fall all the way to 3,000 feet tomorrow morning. Wind gusts as fast as 60 miles per hour. It'll be just as windy in the desert as they reach up to 63. So looking at San Diego's 7-day forecast, the good news is that the rain isn't going to extend into the weekend. We have a slight chance of a couple raindrops early Saturday morning, but that'll quickly clear out to some sunny weather. Highs of 60 degrees. So we're looking at real cool weather leading up to that solar eclipse that we're seeing on Monday. Inland neighborhoods really not rebounding a whole lot. High of 56 for Friday, turns to 62 on Saturday. A big warm up coming in the middle of next week, though. The jump in about 20 degrees. Next Wednesday, high of 78 degrees. So our mountain communities are going to see that warm up as well, but they do have a chance of seeing some scattered showers on Monday too, and they're not really warming up until Wednesday. That's when they hit 68 degrees. The desert, of course, seeing that exact same trend, and just look at the temperature difference. Some parts of the county are jumping up by 20 degrees. Look at the high of 63 tomorrow. That'll turn to 89 by next Wednesday.